To help Danny prepare for his first year of school, we got him the Jolly Phonics at-home kit to kickstart his reading and writing. Our friend recommended this kit and it said it worked wonders for her little ones, so we thought, why not give it a go? Do you want to see what's inside?
Yeah!
Danny's all about his tech gadgets, but sometimes you just gotta go back to the basics. We found that activities are not only educational, but also fun. Plus, they're helping him nail down that pencil grip, something that he really struggled with in the past. First up, we've got the Jolly Phonics Activity Books 1 to 7. These books are packed with cool activities to go through all of the letters and sounds.
I love stickers.
Now this is probably our favorite, the Jolly Stories book. It's got some really cool stories and characters, right Danny?
Nate is the best.
Very good. The best part is that we're revisiting all those 42 letter sounds again without even realizing it. Talk about sneaky learning. They also have these catchy songs which we rock out to in the car all the time. And the book comes with all of the lyrics. Jelly and jams, jiggling on a plate. They also have really cool bonus goodies. A poster with all of the letter sounds and action prompts. It's great for a quick reference. And this is our go-to for video-based learning, especially when we're making dinner. Let's talk value. For $85, you're getting a whole bunch of resources and endless hours of entertainment while actually learning to read and write. Many of these activities can be done individually. Trust me, it's a steal. Danny, do you think your friends at school would like this?
Yeah!
Well, ladies and gents, you've heard it from the expert. Don't wait, get your kit today.